The Board of Works today received a petition from residents of West 10th Street requesting that that street be made a one-way street going west. The board referred that to the traffic department for recommendation. In addition, the board unanimously approved a recommendation to the State Highway Commission with regard to Kilgore Avenue. Mr. Harlan has more to say about that.
We are in receipt of a letter from the Greenfield District of the State Highway Department addressed to Honorable Paul J. Cooley, Mayor, City of Muncie, City Hall, Muncie, Indiana. Ray, parking restrictions, Kilgore Avenue. Dear Mayor Cooley, we have finally completed our work on the much-discussed Kilgore Avenue, State Road 32, problem, and have prepared forms for your concurrence in restoring part of the parking. We are, in effect, rescinding all the restrictions included in our resolution number 64-68, for which the signage was completed on May 2nd, 1968. We are then redoing the whole thing as a new resolution, but will change that portion concerning Kilgore Avenue. The attached sketch will depict the area in which we propose to allow parking. Please sign and return 2 of the enclosed forms to us. The 3rd is for your files. Sincerely, Joseph R. Sleater, District Traffic Engineer. This, in effect, restores parking from a point 115 feet north on the easterly side of Kilgore Avenue, north of the north curb line of 1st Street, to a point opposite the house number 312 on Kilgore Avenue, which is approximately half a square south of the entrance to the Meadows Shopping Center.